Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to have another lesson regarding the continuation in our topic. This is Architect Richard. Today we're going to talk escalators and introduction, components, working system, etc. So, firstly, we're going to define what is an escalator. So, we already know, or we are very familiar, know what is an escalator. So, as we can see here in our definition, escalator is a type of vertical transportation. Although, as you can see, inclined siya and mostly nakikita natin sa mga establishments like malls, etc. But it's already considered vertical transportation because it's um, moving you from lower floor to upper floors. No? So, vertical transportation in the form of moving staircase. So, it's like a stair with motorized or moving conveyor, no, transport device for carrying people, okay, between floors of a building. So, this device consists of a motor-driven chain of individual links steps that move up or down on tracks. So, it allows step threads to remain horizontal. So, makikita natin mamaya yung mga components nito in the next slides. So, it consists of the following components. Number one is we have landing platforms. Yung landing platforms natin is meron siya sa baba at sa taas. Diba? So, that is landing platforms. No? Basically, you can see here and below where you start and where you finish. The truss. Etong truss na to, may another in-depth discussion tayo dyan sa baba. Pero that one will be your main structure or yung pinaka uh, structural membrane, no, ng ating escalator. We have the tracks, also steps, handrails, escalator exterior or yung balustrade natin, which we can see here. Drive system sa yung motor natin, isa yan sa mga natin, component ng drive system. Drive chain, no? Syempre yung kadena, which basically connected to the motor. Auto lubrication system, braking system, safety devices, and electrical control system. So this is the axonometric, of an escalator, which you can see the basic components, which as control, summary here at the top, complete sa baba, to handrails, step, yung ano natin, yung pinakaapakan, skirt, yung sa gilid, emergency stop button sa baba, landing sa baba din, yung pinaka first step natin, step chain, truss, handrail drive unit, handrail entry, and the drive chain. Landing platforms. So these landing platforms are containing of floor plate and comb plate. So saan natin makikita si floor plate? Si floor plate is dun sa dito kung floor plate natin is sa pinaka bottom, no? And sa taas naman is yung ating comb plate, no? Itong comb plate. So the floor plate provides space for the passenger to stand before they step into moving stair. So stationary yan, no? Or yan yung pinaka step 0, no, ng ating escalator. So this plate is flush with the finished floor. It's either hinge or removable to allow easy access to the machinery below. So ito removable access niya, which basically pag tinanggal natin yan, makikita na natin yung mga motors dun sa baba, which drives our escalator up and down. So the comb plate is the piece between the stationary floor plate and the moving step. So they're the one that's covering, no, that in between. It's named because the edge has series of cleats that resembles the teeth of a comb. And the design is necessary to minimize the gap between the stair and the landing, which helps prevent objects from getting caught in the gap. The components of landing are comb plates. So this comb plate is known as walk-on plates where an entrance and exit for the passenger to the steps. So makikita natin yan sa baba at sa pinakababa at sa pinakataas, no, ng ating escalator. So part pa rin siya ng escalator component or system natin. It provides mounting for the comb segments and comb plates compact with switch actuator. So the comb segments are placed section between 6 inches to 8 inches with or maybe narrower. Okay? May example tayo mamaya with teeth and mesh comb into uh step thread. So comb segment may be called a comb plate or by non-standard noun name, a left hand and a right hand, and a middle section comb. So this segment can be identified by the pattern of the combs on their sides and the width of number of combs. The access covers. So these covers are the pit area for inspection, maintenance, and repairs. So the lower landing naman, cover plates provide access to the reversing station. Okay? Reversing station. And the step removal. So yan yung sa pinaka-bottom or sa pinaka-step 0 natin. May access cover dyan, which basically tinatabunan niya doon yung motor natin. And the upper access cover plate may provide an access to the drive machine, bull gear, and sometimes the controller. Comb light. This is an optional safety device used to illuminate the area, no, where the steps and the comb segments meet. Mounted at the upper and lower landing above the comb segment. So they form different power source. They stay always even and the unit is not running. So for maintenance purposes. But that one is very optional. Pero some brands, no, ina-anticipate na nila yan that there will be some maintenance or preventive maintenance. So nilagyan na nila ng comb lights. So truss. Ang truss na ito is basically, that's the parang skeletal system, no, or pinaka-trusses ng ating, kung sa bahay natin, yan yung pinaka-trusses at structural membrane niya. Pero sa escalator, yung truss looks like this, no? You have your lower landing section, mid section, and upper landing section divided into 3. So the hollow metal structure is what a truss look like, and it's like a bridge that it has a lower and upper landings. So it composed of 2 sections joined together with cross brace across bottom and just below the top. Okay. The escalator truss is structural frame of the escalator and consists of 3 major areas. The lower, so ito yon, lower landing section, inclined section or yung tinatawag nating mid section, and the upper landing section. So basically, para siyang bridge, no? Meron siyang structural membrane, and you have your upper and lower. So sa lower floor, upper landing section will be connected into the second floor or the next floor. Tracks. We have the system of tracks built into truss, no? So yung truss natin, yung tracks natin is pinapatong natin sa taas ng ating truss, no? And to guide the step chain, so which continuously pulls the step from the bottom platform and the back to the top in the endless loop, no? So umiikot siya in an endless loop. So there are actually 2 tracks, one for the front wheels, okay? One for the front wheels, and it's called the steep wheel track, no? Steep wheel track. Ito, steep wheel track. At yung pinaka-roller nun or yung wheel nun sa harap is yung step wheel. One of the back wheel, so the trailing wheel naman, and it's called the wheel track. Ito yon. So there are, the steps naman are the one that is solid in one piece, die-cast aluminum or steel. So depende sa type and design no of manufacturer or brand. Sometimes it has yellow demarcation lines may be added to clearly indicate their edges. So ito yon, yung yellow line na to. Para hindi tayo mamali ng tapak. So the components of this are the step plate or yung pinaka-thread niya. Ito yon, yung tinuturo niya dito. The step riser, ito yon, which is kung gaano siya kataas. The demarcations, ito yon, demarcation lines. Frame yoke or yung kanyang frame mismo ng kanyang each step. The trail wheels, ito, trail wheels niya. At ito yan, no? As you can see, the trail wheels and the step hook, no? So basically, dun niya hinuhook yung kanyang mga wheels. Okay, so that's what the steps no looks like. The handrails naman, as you can see here, yung hinahawakan natin when we yung uppermost no non is composed of these materials, no, the cover stock, the bead, cotton slider, the steel, and the body piles. So maybe rubber to for the cover stocks. So the handrails provide a convenient handhold for passengers while they are riding the escalator, and it is pulled also kasama ng meron din siyang individual track no which the handrail is being located, connected to the main drive gear by series of pulleys. Okay. So meron siyang skirt guard lighting. Okay. Manufacturer's design din yan. Okay. Comb lighting. Meron din siya sa baba. Meron din siya dun sa along the handrail. Okay, para makita natin. If medyo hindi well lighted yung kanyang area. So that's the component no of handrail. So the exterior balustrade no of the escalator consists of handrail and exterior supporting structure of the escalator. So escalator exterior components extend above the step and support the handrail. So designed as interior lower deck or interior high deck. It offers individual interior panels like and skirt panels, deck covers, and escalator itself. So the exterior of escalator balustrade is some components of it is the interior lower deck. So interior high deck, skirt panel or yung tinatawag nating skirt, interior panel or side panel, handrail, high deck interior, and high deck exterior. So ito yung part nun, no? So you can see in our image, no? So there are several or additional or continuation of components here, as you can see in the description, no? Emergency stop button, key operated switches. So ito yon, as you can see in the image, no? So you have your handrail, interior panel, lower deck exterior, lower deck interior. Kasi may part doon na saan ka tatayo at yung pinaka-outdoor nun is the lower deck exterior naman. Exterior high deck solid balustrade is doon naman indicated or located yung mga emergency stop button natin, indicator light, newel, MRF plate, guard safety switch, mga caution plate natin, dun located sa exterior high deck solid balustrade sa baba, no? Hindi dun sa lower part, sa upper part. Dun siya sa pinaka bottom The drive system of an escalator. So you can see here no the section of an escalator which houses the motor no or the drive system or the drive unit. So it moves escalator steps with a motor stop with a brake. So single drive unit powers about 20 feet of escalator rise. So ito yung basically umaakyat baba no sa ating mga escalators. Each step has two set of wheels which roll along two separate tracks. So the upper set, which is the wheels near top of the step connected to the rotating chains, and the other set simply glides flowing behind the first set. So dalawang dalawang set of wheels. So the electric motor also moves the handrail, a rubber conveyor belt moves exactly at the same speed as the steps. So it gives the rider some stability. So sumasabay siya dun sa mga steps natin. The working system, how the escalator work, no? So it's really like a conveyor belt, and the stairs are pulled around in a loop by a pair of chains, and the escalator steps have two sets of wheels. So one set is at the top of each, okay, and each stair and pulled by the chains, and at the bottom naman, okay, as you can see here, is another set of wheel that runs along the metal pathway. So like a train track. Okay. So there is a pathway slope between floors, but at the top of the bottom of the rise, the track becomes flat before going around and back. So bumabalik yung ating tracks no dun sa baba. Pag umakyat na naman yan, iikot and the the rotating action um, goes back and forth from lower to upper floor. So the another explanation for how escalator works is um, the principle of conveyor belt, no? So ito yung sinasabi natin which basically have two wheels, no? Merong conveyor belt sa taas and returning wheels sa baba. So there are chain guides for the chain, no? O that basically pulls the steps, no? For from low to upper floor and going back again for our return. So we have the drive gear, electric motor, chain guide, return wheel, and inner wheel. No? So kung titignan natin in section. So each step in escalator has two different wheel which roll on separate tracks. No? So yun yung in-explain natin kanina. So they have drive gear, inner outer track, carriage gear, yung step natin which pagdating dun sa pinaka bottom plate niya is nagiging flat hanggang dun sa pinakataas no sa lower plate no and going back again sa baba and the the action has been repeating all over again. So this is the plan and section of an escalator, technicalities of yung pinaka clearance niya between, so that's 2.3 no 2.3 meters or 2,300 millimeters. So for the escalator, basically we have two types, no? The horizontal and the vertical. Meron tayong tinatawag na high-speed walkways, yung nakikita natin sa mga airports, no? And we also have inclined, no? Ito 'yon. Ay, hindi. Vertical ito. at itong isa is horizontal. Meron ding horizontal medyo slightly inclined. So, most likely ginagamit 'yun sa mga mahahabang hallways, no, that basically carries you from one point to another. Puwede din kasama yung mga baggage mo. The moving walkway or yung tinatawag nating travelator, most likely nakikita natin 'to sa mga airports, no? It's a slow-moving conveyor mechanism that transport people across horizontal or inclined plane. So, pwede din siya, meron siyang slightly inclined, no? Over a short to medium distance. It can be used standing or walking on them and installed in pairs for one each direction. So, papunta, pabalik, no? So, we have different kinds of travelator. We have pallet type, no? Yung pallet type natin is a continuous series of flat metal plates joined together to form a walkway, and most have a metal surface. Next is the moving belt. So, these are mesh type, no? Mesh type metal belts or rubber walking surface over metal rollers. So, depende sa manufacturer. So, we have two types, no? The pallet type and moving belt. Then we have high-speed walkways naman. So these are likely using any other moving walkway except that they are safe, that for safety there are special procedures to follow when joining or leaving. You must have at least one hand free to hold the handrail and those carrying bags like shopping, etc. So most likely sa mga department stores naman to natin makikita, no? On entering, there's a 10-meter acceleration zone where the ground is series of metal rollers and the riders will still both feet on these rollers and let it pull so that they glide over the rollers. So these are high speed walkways. Then we have here the inclined moving walkway. So it's being used, no, just like an escalator but in a ramp form, no? Parang rampa siya kung titignan. So they can use this to take long in suitcase, trolley, or shopping carts or baby carriage. So the carts, either a brake or automatic applied, strong magnets in the wheel, they stay adhered to the floor, specialized design wheels that secure the cart with the grooves of the ramp. So this is the section of a travelator. So kung nakikita nyo, the same lang ang kanyang uh, application or theory behind, no, sa ating mga escalators. It's just that wala lang siyang steps, no? Parang ramp lang siya kung titignan. So the usage of this is the usage of escalators is they have the capacity to move large number of people at one, no? Pwede kasi siya, each step uh, meron siyang passenger. So they can be placed in same physical spaces as one might install a staircase. Kung pwedeng naka-install ka ng staircase doon, staircase, no, na concrete staircase, you could install a moving staircase, no, which in the form of escalator. So pwede yon. They have no waiting interval, no, no waiting interval except during heavy traffic or yung sobrang dami, no. So they can be used kasi may ano din yan overloading, no? May overloading. So you have just to wait, no, na makatapos yung isa. They can be used to guide people towards main exits or special exhibits. Strategically, pwede mo siyang to place, no, people. They can be weatherproof for outdoor use. Meron tayong mga escalator with watertight. And they can help in controlling the traffic flow. For example, to an exit, escalator to an exit to effectively discourage most people from using it as an entrance. So here are some applications we can see of escalators and travelators. No? Airports, zoo, theater, museum, malls, and theme parks. So, the comparison between lifts and escalators, ito yung elevators natin, di ba? Yung lifts. And we have our escalators. So for the lifts, closed cabin siya, no? Meron siyang car, no, as we have discussed last time, and transport people between different floors in a high-rise building. While the escalator naman it's like a stairway or staircase, no? Or a stairway, no? Steps that allow people to move between floors in busy spaces like shopping malls, airports, and railway stations. Lifts are fast and can move up and down only on faster speed. So escalators naman are slow moving machines. Uh, Lifts can just move up or down, and it has a counterweights and attraction cable. While yung component naman ng escalator natin, it has a step, no, that are fixed, uh, linked together parang chain, no, that comes up and down from behind of a conveyor belt. Lifts also, no, less space, no, kasi meron naman siyang uh, uh, isang area lang, no. Uh, Meron pa ngang smaller as installed in our residential areas. So limited to the shaft yung kanyang area lang, kung gaano kalaki yung shaft mo, so gano'n din kalaki yung or mas maliit pa do'n yung elevator mo, which connect all the floors. And the space used is same as staircase naman for the escalator that connects 2 floors. So if you want to connect no to other floors, you have to install another escalator. So that's another unit. So the lifts, it can be a limited number of people can accommodate at a time. The escalator naman, there's no waiting period as you can set foot anytime to climb up or down. So lifts kasi, hindi yan talaga aalis pag overloaded. So if there are electric cutouts when then it doesn't work na. Sa escalator naman, kahit walang or naka-maintenance or naka-idle lang siya, pwede mo pa rin siya magamit as a stair, no? You just have to walk, no, to it. And we have our market survey. For the sizes, we consider very, very small for a 400 mm width of your balustrades, no? Kung gaano siya kalapad. That's 0.4. So that's very, very small size, which has one passenger with feet together, no? So stationary ka lang dyan. So application of that is rare historic design found mostly in order in department stores. We considered small naman yung mga 600 mm, which is also one passenger. And the application of that is low volume sites, uppermost level of department store when the space is limited. The medium size type of escalators, we have 800 mm, no, yung lapad niya from left to right balustrade. So that is one passenger plus one package of luggage. Like in the shopping malls, department store, and smaller airports, yung applications or mostly makikita. Then, a large type naman na escalator is 100 mm or higher than that. No? Two passengers, one may walk and one may pass another. So, yan yung nakikita natin mostly sa mga malls, no? Like SM malls, no? Yung um, heavily traffic malls na pwedeng tumayo yung sa right side and yung sa left side ng isang staircase is pwede siyang umakyat or mauna. Ganun yun. So, two passengers. So, example niyan is yung sa mga metro system natin, MRTs, large airport, train stations. Pero here in the Philippines, ginagamit natin siya mostly sa mga SM malls. So, these are the brands, no, na pwede nating ma-search, no, sa web of their designs of their escalators. The Skindlers, Otis, Fujitec, Kinetic, Express, Noble, Omega. So, as of now, sobrang dami niyan. So, we have an activity later which you have to compare, no, at least 2 types of brands for our escalators. So, these are the symbols, no, na pwede mong tandaan if you are trying to find an escalator in a complex area or in a mall or in an airport, etc. Okay, so that's it, no, for the lesson on escalators. See you again next meeting. Thank you.